AI is becoming more powerful and more deeply woven into everything we do. Some people try to ignore it, but it's not going away. This AI video production course is for filmmakers, editors, marketers, content creators, and business owners who want a repeatable AI workflow that saves hours every week. You want a workflow that's faster and repeatable, without losing quality or your creative voice. So in this course, we'll help you think, research, write, produce, and edit faster. Most importantly, you'll learn how to combine different tools and models into a single workflow. When you're done with this course, you'll know exactly how to use AI. Let's take a look at the AI tools we'll use in this course. For planning and script writing, ChatGPT and Canva. For avatars and voice cloning, HeyGen. For text-to-video generation, we'll show you how VO works. For fast editing, CapCut, Canva, and Instagram for beginners, and DaVinci Resolve Studio for professional workflows. Our goal is to teach you all the fundamental concepts as simply and intuitively.
And remember, AI is here to help, but your creativity and your human touch make all the difference.
Join our AI video production course today. Start building a faster, repeatable video workflow with AI. Link in the description.
Now, it's your turn.